We should live a life where which permits us to enjoy it. If you're in pain, how can you enjoy life? What, with a pill? No. We teach you how to live a pain free life. Doesn't matter what pain. So, back pain, I can show you one or two things which will relieve your back pain. But the moment you get tense again and go into a crooked posture, it will come back. Patanjali, the father of yoga, I call him, because he actually wrote down all the principles of yogic practice. Now, according to Patanjali, everything that can be overcome should be overcome. So, which indicates that if I can overcome my problems, now in this case, back pain, I should then do everything necessary to overcome it. So, come and learn from us the causes of back pain and learn how to get rid of it, not in 10 years, but in 10 days. So, um, I will show you a few things so you understand that we understand the back, we understand a human being, and we understand what is pain. 10 times. There's no control except in keeping the feet like this together. And we are not trying to force the body down, it's just going till where it can. 10 times done, then bend one leg, activate the toes, extend them up, and then stretch the other foot and activate that too. Then the direction that you pull is so that the knee goes in the direction of the armpit. This foot is active. It doesn't work if the feet are inactive. Then change the side. Activate and only then start to pull. To take care that you don't do something wrong, ensure that you're pulling straight down, that you're not stronger on one hand or the other. Then having done that on both sides, then both feet extend the toes and move the armpits, move the knees towards the armpits. Now here something starts to happen. This starts to come up, and now I'm pulling only to that extent that this doesn't come up. In relaxing the abdomen is the cure. In activating the toes is the cure. In keeping quiet, we are able to do this pose for a longer time. to maintain the pose for a couple of minutes is essential. Turn to the side, get up.